Guys, I am Prerna. Today I am going to present our topic on bank management system with my teammates Chanakya Akhil and V Akhil Sai. The aim of our project is to develop a bank management system for solving financial applications of a customer in banking environment in order to nurture the needs of an end banking user by providing various ways to perform banking tasks. Let's talk about the abstracts of our project. This project is mainly developed for the account division of a banking sector to provide better interface of the entire banking transactions. This system is aimed to give a better outlook to the user interface and to implement all banking transactions like first one is new account creation. Whenever a new customer come, this system facilities is to create a account. The customer must provide information regarding the type of account he wants to open, of deposit, address and phone number. The next one is deposit account. Customer can deposit money into the account. The customer needs to provide information like his social security number and the account, and he can withdraw from account. Customer can withdraw his money from the account. He needs to provide his social security number as well as the account which he wants to withdraw. And the next is new account information. Customer can view his account information. He needs to provide a social security number to the employer in order to view his account details. Now let's talk about the features of bank management system. The first one is liquidity management, and second is planning quality and risk management, and next is interest rate, currency and credit risk management of human resources, management of control system, auditing and internal auditing, and management of profitability and risk liquidity, management of information technology system. In this accounting, strategic planning, current analysis and integrated workflow automation, and management expertise in planning, management function, strategy analysis and policy development. Main feature of bank is that it deal with the money related transactions. For example, you can deposit your money in the bank account to save it securely, and you will get interest in the money that you can save in the account. Therefore, it is the easiest way to increase your money without putting it in risk. Moreover, if you need the money, then you can borrow it from the bank and certain interest. For example, you can borrow money from the bank to pay for tuition fee, as well as you can also borrow money from the bank you to buy a car. However, you are supposed to pay a money back to the account with interest. Banks can also make extra money by providing loans for different products to the loans. The bank make extra money by lending money to the eligible person at certain rate. Nowadays, bank provide loans to various requirements such as study loan, car loan, home loan, personal loan, etc. Different banks provide different loans at different rate of interest. Even though the basic services provided by all banks are the same, but each bank tries to provide different rate of interest and better service to attract more and more customers. Therefore, each branch use a unique bank name and unique timeline to sell their services. So these all are the features of bank management system. The hardware requirement of this is MySQL and the software requirement is Java. Now the problem is the bank management system is an application for maintaining a person account in the bank. The system provides the access to the customer to create an account, deposit, withdraw the cash from his account, and also to view reports of all account present. The following presentation provide the specification for the system. Now the modules are. Now the first one is create file. Selecting this create a new file for the user, accepting input such as account number, name and amount. And the next one is open account. Opens a new account for the user by accepting input such as account number, name and minimum balance. And the next is search. Unable to search for the details for the given account number. Display only one account detail at a time. The next is deposit. Provides the option to deposit amount from the given account number. And then withdraw. Provide the option to withdraw amount from the given account number. And then cancel account. Cancel the selected account from the bank. And then at last report. Display the list of all account details comprising of account number, name and balance amount. These all are the modules of bank management system. Now at last let's talk about conclusion. This project is developed to nurture the needs of a user in the banking sector by embedding all the tasks of transaction taking place in the bank. Future version of this software will still be much enhanced than the current version. Thus, the bank management system it is developed and executed successfully. This is all about bank management system. Thank you.